So far, one of the biggest things happen on the oil market right now, if you guys are watching, that initially at the closing prices, we have already been seeing that prices has closed at around $74, around those area. And during the day where trading started to open, we see prices hits at around $76 immediately and jump by a total of around 5%. So I think that's a big jump. But afterwards, we started to see that oil prices slows down, and that really shows the anticipations coming out of the market that the oil market supply isn't interrupted much. And I think that's the main reason we are seeing that oil prices are still remaining under around $70, not above $80 already right now. And we have really been seeing that there's a possibility that there is a topping phase is built out on the short-term market movement. So we'll try to see whether prices could be holding its spot at around $71.70 and remains higher. If not, we are likely to see the possibility that prices will be going down slower from here onwards. Yes, all right. So I think that is a very important key for now for this. If prices couldn't start to move much better, there will certainly be a risk to see that all prices could be breaking down below $70 if this chart pattern is completed. High possibility that prices would start hitting around $68, $69. But if not, we could actually see that prices will be at least moving on a sideways range at a much elevated price around $71 towards $75 on those ranges. That's the view on the short term. Long term market movement, I would say it is certainly a little bit risky right now, as prices couldn't be breaking out higher than $75, and that will be certainly be a little bit of a risk. And with this kind of red candlestick in the whole majority, it will be acting as a very good agent for us to see prices on the oil market could be a little bit slowing down, maybe ranging between $70 above on the long-term market movement. But as long as prices still remains above those, it seems that the oil market issue should be not a big deal coming out from the escalations to the Middle East, and we are likely to see that the oil market movement will be a little bit stagnant at around $70 towards $72 in the long run if this continues on. But certainly today's candlestick hasn't been well. Long term, I'm still expecting that prices could stay above $70 with the current market movement that is still on the upside, still moving on an uptrend. And I'm expecting to see that prices should be able to hold itself above $70 if everything goes well, despite the escalations could be de-escalating soon, if that's the case. All right, so definitely I would say I will be expecting that prices should be still staying above and try to go higher. Okay, that's the view on the oil market. Short-term wise, it could also be showing us the same thing. So I will try to see how this pans out, whether prices could be holding itself above $72 and $71.60. And if prices are still able to hold itself pretty well, we could actually see some market reactions happening here soon, maybe towards $70 on the short term. All right. Back towards the gold market.